how to fix friend requests not sending on Facebook. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix friend requests not sending on Facebook. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. This problem can be really annoying because you can't add more people. First, remember that a normal Facebook account can have up to 5,000 friends. If you've reached this limit, you can either unfriend some people or switch to a professional account to connect with more. If you haven't hit the limit, try restarting the app in case it's just a glitch. Swipe up to close Facebook completely, then reopen it and check if the problem is gone. If that doesn't help, try deleting and reinstalling the app. Tap and hold the Facebook icon, choose Remove App, then tap Delete App. After that, reinstall Facebook from the App Store or Google Play. If you still can't send requests and the Add Friend button is missing, it could be because the other person's privacy settings don't allow friend requests. Lastly, if you've sent too many requests in a short time, Facebook might have temporarily blocked you from sending more. In that case, you'll need to wait for the block to expire. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this helped you out.